video, I want to briefly explain how you can make use of Zoom application on your phone. Though we have PC version of the application as well. So if you are using an Android phone, so you have Zoom application on your phone. This is Zoom application. But if you don't have it yet on your phone, you are going to download it from Google Play Store. This is Google Play Store. So you click on Play Store, and when it is loaded, you search for Zoom. You can just type Zoom. So you type Zoom, you search for Zoom. Okay, here we have the application. This is Zoom Cloud. I'm having open here because I've downloaded it already. But if you have not downloaded it on your device, you have install here instead of open. So you click on install, you have the application downloaded and installed on your device. Having done that, you can open it from here. You click on open. This is open. Or you go back to your application menu and you locate the Zoom icon. This is Zoom icon. So you click on it. When you click on it, you are going to have it like this. So Zoom, you can navigate through some options. You have start a meeting. These are some of the things you can use Zoom application for. Share your content, message your team, then get zooming. If you have an account already, you click on sign in. But if you don't have an account, you have to sign up first. So for now, I'm going to click on sign up. This is sign up here. So you click on sign up. Let's click on sign up. Set the month, year, and the day, and then the year of birth. Let us set it. Let's take this to be 1975 or 1980, thereabout. Okay, this is 75. So if you have set your date of birth, click on set. All right, it's connecting. And here you enter your email address. Let me enter email address. Okay, I've entered. Then your first name and then the last name. Then the last name is, say, okay, so I've entered my details. I'll now click on sign up. So having done that, a notification has been sent to the email address I provided. What we need to do next is to locate the email. So, and how do we go about that? You can minimize. When you minimize, you go back to the email icon on your phone, or you log in elsewhere into your email to activate your account. So on your device, you should have something like this. So once the email has been set up, you have the notification here. So you click on the Gmail icon. So let us see. Okay, this is the email address. Now I have the notification on my phone already. So I have it here. So please activate your Zoom, and that is what I'm going to click on it. Okay. So please activate your Zoom account. Here we have activate account. This is what I'm reading. Activate your account. So I'll click on it to have my account activated. Okay. So what do we have here? Are you signing up on behalf of a school? So we have two options, yes and no. So I'm not signing on behalf of a school. I will click no, tick no. All right, and then click continue. Let's wait. So I have my details here. So the next thing is for me to input my password. You have password and then you confirm your password. Let me input my password. Okay. And one thing about this password is that there are criteria which you will have to meet. Here have at least 8 characters. So your password should contain minimum of 8 characters. Then should have at least 1 letter and 1 number. Not only that, it should have uppercase. If your password is Omolara123, so one of the letters in Omolara should be capital letter. You can start with capital O, then the rest small letter, and you had the 1 to 3. But at least it should have 1 uppercase and then contain number. So let's continue. I want to input my password. Okay, let's see. So everything has turned green. That means I've met the minimum criteria. Okay, let me see. Just start here again. Now let's click continue. From there you can continue. You have join and then host. You can pick it up from here. You have join, then you have host. So if you are joining a meeting, you can pick it up from here, or you go back to the application that has been downloaded on your device. I mean the Zoom application. So you go back to Zoom. This is Zoom application. All right, let's click on Zoom. Now you're going to click on sign in. Just click sign in. Oh, I don't want to use finger ID. Let me input my password. The first, you make sure it is the email that you use to register. So I will have to input my email. Okay. Let me input my email. Good. Go. Then I will input my password. I will have to input my password. Let me input my password. Now I've signed in, having successfully entered my password. So here you have a few things. New meeting. You have new meeting. You have join meeting. You can schedule meeting. You can also share. You have share option here. So you can make use of any of these. If you have a link that has been sent to you by a particular host, so you click on join meeting, what do you need to do? You enter the meeting ID and then you click on, having done this, if you have entered a correct meeting ID, so this join meeting has been activated, then you click on join meeting, so it will link you. And if you have a link that has been sent to you, that is why you have this join with a personal link name. So you can just click on that, then you enter the details and you click on join meeting. So we have some options here which are very crucial as well. So don't connect to, okay, I have one, though the meeting is not on for now. Let's see meeting. So this is a link to a particular meeting. Let me click on it. So you see now join once always. Do I want to use Zoom? So I'll use Zoom application to join the meeting. So let's click on join and let us see the response. So preparing our meeting, connecting. So here we are. So you have having successfully connected like this, you have series of options that you can use to interact with the host or that to interact with other members in the conference. All right. So this one is call in device. You click on it. So it's now saying that you are using your audio device. So we have other icons. Let me just show that to you. You have here mute. You use this, you click on it to mute and unmute your mic. You have a start video. This is used if you want to enable your camera. You want audience to see your face or you want to show them something. So that is the icon to be used. We have others as well as this. Okay, we have like here you have raise hand if you have question. You have claim host role, login as host. You have chat. Then you hide names when participants join. So there are so many things that we can do, and this is to disconnect audio. Okay, so I clicked on chat. Now I want to chat. Is it sent to everyone? You want to send to everyone, so you leave it like that. You can change it if you want to send to host. You have host or presenter here, so you click on that option and you type whatsoever you want to type. So take for instance, hello everyone. So you send. So you go back to the meeting. You use this to enable your video. Once you click on it, the camera on the device will be activated and audience will be able to see you. So it is important you mute your mic since you are not the presenter, so that the meeting uh, will be run smoothly, so to say. Okay, I've unmuted my mic. I've muted my microphone, so it's good that way. There are other features as well that will be handy or be useful to you during the course of our meeting or having meeting on Zoom. We have one here, and that is an icon that you use to mute or unmute your speaker. If you want to mute your speaker, you click, and if you want to unmute it, you click again, and your speaker will be unmuted. This one, if you want to leave the meeting, you click on it, and you confirm. Computer will ask you to confirm if actually you wanted to leave the meeting. So if you want to see the group of participants or the number of participants that are on, you can make use of this participant icon. So it's the one down here having participant. When you click on it, you have the list of participants, the members in that particular tutorial, that particular conference or the meeting you are doing. You can click on close so that you have your icon back. Right, so I believe this is very handy and you should be able to install Zoom application, sign up and get it activated and join your would-be meeting with this tutorial. Thank you very much.
Vcube Resources, a dependable name in IT skills and potentials development.